Hi, this is javinkharod, a chemical engineer by profession, going to continue our today's topic, fin fan cooler. Now, what is that? Fin fan cooler is a kind of heat exchanger that use air for cooling medium. It is required wide surface area for heat transfer. It is applied the fin tube for increasing heat transfer surface and compact design, the construction area and the process fluid that can cool by natural air. It is not required coolant compared with cooling tower and it can be reduced electricity consumption. There are corrosion problem and low maintenance cost. Now, air-cooled heat exchanger in short, air fin or fin fan cooler are used any application where large quantity heat needed to be transferred. This include chemical and petrochemical industries, power station, geothermal plant, waste to energy facility as well as steel work. Using air rather than water for cooling is a cost-efficient alternative which also controls the thermal overload, river and lakes. Moreover, direct dry cooling offer substantial advantage since air is generally non-corrosive and unlimited supply. Air fin cooler are extensively used refinery, petrochemical plant, oil and gas sector and condensing unit. Various process fluid in process industries are efficiently cooled in air fin cooler with air and cooling medium resulting economy in running cost. Now, energy built air fin cooler for high pressure and high temperature application process industries with metallurgy suitable for highly corrosive fluid. Now, air cooled heat exchanger is also known as air fin cooler, fin tube cooler, air cooler, fin to air cooler, fin fan cooler, fin tube exchanger, and tri cooler. Now, air fin cooler are extensively used the industries that are oil and gas, refining, petrochemicals, and power. Now is construction future. Air-cooled heat exchangers are generally arranged as tube bundle side by side, mounted one of over the other. The principal part of tube bundle are header and fin tube, which has spiral wound or extruded fins upon the tube. The process fluid is circulated inside the tube bundle. Axial flow fan. They are employed move air uniformly across the tube bundle to cool condense the process fluid. The fan's principle can be driven by electric motor either directly through V-belt and gearbox arrangement. Now plenum chamber distribute the air uniformly over the surface of tube bundle. Supporting structure is used to mount principal tube bundle assembly. Now platform grating and walkway are provided access the header and tube bundle for the maintenance. The construction of air fin cooler structure completely bolted type enable easy erection and maintenance. The heat exchanger are usually suitable outdoor installation and some of cases they are mounted on pipe rack save the floor space requirement. Now tube bundle. The fin tube bundle are modular construction that facilitate isolation or section for part load operations. The tube bundle are rigid, self-contained, designed for handling complete assembly. Lifting lugs are provided each side frame of tube bundle. The framework of the tube bundle usually galvanized steel. Now, the fin tube are supported regular interval to prevent sagging and meshing or deformation of the fins. Now, header, plug header. Now, plug header is most commonly used to the opposite of the Each tube row expansion of the tube in tube seat, the plugging in case of leakage, seal welding or strength welding can be provided. High partial hydrogen pressure resulting less expensive solution. Pipe header generally use over 200 bar pressure. Now cover plate header. Cover plate is used fluid for high fouling factor up to 40 bar maximum when frequent mechanical needed. It also use very corrosive process fluid, so is periodically checked corrosion alarms. Now cover plate header using welded gasket are provided hydrogen service hydrofracking plant. Now welded bonnet header. Welded bonnet type is used some of the special service such as ammonia condenser, furan condenser and vacuum steam condenser. One of advantage design fully welded construction which provide perfect sealing requirement for each such applications. Now manifold header, a large circular manifold used some of cases allowable pressure drop is very low. This large manifold ensure equal distribution fluid flow in the tube. The tube seat are directly welded to the manifold. This type use vacuum steam condenser and refrigeration unit. Now pipe header. The pipe header are used working pressure over 200 bar. U-bend tube are welded to weld less on the pipe. The welded heat treated X-ray tester. Now L wrap on fins. What is that? Maximum working temperature 120 degrees centigrade means 250 degree Fahrenheit. Atmospheric corrosion resistance expectable. Mechanical resistance poor. The aluminum strip foot section is first formed into L shape and then tension wrap on the base tube. Wounded fin base section are close to each other so as ensure continuous cover over the primary tube surface. Finally, fin strip fastened end of prevent loosening. Now, L fins maximum working temperature 250 degrees centigrade means 480 degree Fahrenheit. Atmospheric corrosion resistance medium and mechanical resistance expectable. Aluminum strip is folded into L shape then wounded around the base tube. The feet of the fins are joined together, cover the whole tube surface, root fins simultaneously knuckled with the inner tube ensuring tight contact between the fins and the tube. Now G enabled fins. The maximum working temperature 400 degrees centigrade means 750 degree Fahrenheit. Atmospheric corrosion resistance poor and mechanical resistance expectable. Now this fins consists aluminum strip whose foot edge is tension wrap enabled into the primary tube wall. Now bimetallic extruded fins. Maximum working temperature 300 degrees centigrade means 570 degree Fahrenheit. Atmospheric corrosion resistance excellent. Mechanical resistance also excellent. A core tube or linear is fitted into aluminum primary tube. The tube in tube assembly then fed venting machine equipped with 3 spindle. The gauge disc they are stepped in profile and diameter will first extrude and set the fin properly. Then the shrink fit the primary tube on its linear. Now vibration monitoring system. Vibration is common problem any rotating equipment. Energy provide vibration monitoring system. The main equipment monitor critical vibration for easy access maintenance. Energy also provide motor exhaust platform. Now direct drive lower speed up to 15 horsepower, gear drive about 60 horsepower. Now air cooled exchanger. The air cooled heat exchanger also known fin fan heat exchanger. They are typically used application where water is not available. The desired process outlet temperature can be achieved given maximum ambient temperature. Also air cooled equipment can be more simple solution against water cooled because water cooled system they are also need for more pump piping, central chiller and cooling tower increases operating cost and maintenance of the system. Air cooled heat exchanger use wide variety application. Common air to liquid applications include, but they are not limited, lube oil cooler, water and glycerol cooler, jacketed water cooler, engine radiator, hydraulic oil cooler, both stationary and mobile, and closed loop cooling system. The common air to air or air to gas applications include, but they are not limited to inter aftercooler on compressor, belt cart, aftercooler, blower cooler, biogas cooling, landfill gas cooling, soil, vapor extraction, and wide variety condensing applications. With our vast knowledge and expertise in a wide range industries, the market, we can help put you most cost effective and efficient options available. Fan driven unit are shipped with electric motor suitable indoor and outdoor applications through alternative motor. They are available upon a request hydraulic air engine driven. Now equipment copper tube aluminum fins and furnace brass aluminum surface also provide coil with carbon steel stainless steel construction include the header tube and fins and system involve heat transfer. This condenser is a heat exchanger used to condense gaseous substance into liquid state through cooling. So doing, latent heat is released by the substance transferred to surrounding environment. Condensers are used to efficient heat rejection in many industrial systems. The condensation can be made according numerous design and comes many size ranging from rather small to very large industrial scale unit use process plant. For example, refrigerator use condenser to get rid heat extracted from the interior unit outside air. Now condensers are used air conditioning, industrial chemical process such as distillation, steam power plant, other heat exchange system. They use cooling water surrounding air as the coolant and common many condensers. Now, chemistry associated with fin-fan cooler. Chemistry condenser is apparatus cools hot vapor, causing them condense into liquid. Example include condenser, Graham condenser, air fin condenser. This is not only confused the condensation reaction which link two fragments, the single molecule by addition reaction and elimination of the reactions. In laboratory, distillation, reflux, rotary evaporator, several types of condensers are commonly used. Now, Levick condenser, simply straight tube within cooling water jacket and the simplest, relatively latest and least expensive from the condenser. The Graham condenser is a spiral tube with water jacket and air-filled condenser has a series of large and small construction, the inside tube, each increasing the surface area upon which vapor constitute may be condensed, being more complex, shape of manufacture. The latter type, they are also more expensive to purchase. These three type condensers are laboratory glassware item since they are typically made of glass. Commercial available condenser usually fitted with ground glass joint and come in standard length 100, 200 and 400 mm. Air-cooled condensers are unjacketed, while water-cooled condensers contain jacket for the water. Okay guys, this is up to today's our topic fin fan cooler. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday we have covered some another chemical engineering topic. Still then do goodbye and do take good care yourself.